Hello guys, I finally got this DJI Neo. It's kind of weird name. Well, anyway, like 5 months ago, there was a rumor of a DJI Micro X drone, and I was so excited of that. I'm like, there's gonna be like I've always been interested in the micro drones, and even though now with flying with DJI, experience with DJI drones, I always want to get something like exciting, and that's the reason why I got this. I skipped some of the drones that it just DJI came out with, and the reason for that is the fact that I would say the Avata 2, Avata 1 is basically the same, as a Mini 3 and Mini 4, and also the Air 3, and I decided not to get that. But anyway, guys, this is really interesting. I'm super excited because I'm just like, I haven't really been flying drones, and I got bored of it and I got rid of all of them, and now I got me another one. Politics and DJI getting banned here in the United States, I don't really want to invest on these drones. So, I decided just to get this because it's tiny, lightweight, and it's less than 250 grams. And hey, I'm gonna go for that. So I'm by looking at this box, and I'm just like, I never really seen this in person, in seeing it in live or anything like that. I've just been so busy, and this is actually my first time buying a drone for almost like a year now. And see, you can see here, it comes with this instructions, I guess, and bunch of stuff that you need to have, just QR codes, I guess. And over here, I think it seems like this is probably the propellers and the tools, like a screwdriver for the props. And yeah, they give you like two or what, three or four. Actually, just two, guys. And you can see here, this come this little mini screwdriver. You can see here. But wow, guys, look, it's very lightweight. I mean, I'm surprised. This thing is almost the same size as Tello. And we're already in 2024, guys. And I've been wanting something like this since the DJI Tello came out, you know? And you can see here, by just feeling it from my experience with DJI drones, wow, I just like the quality of it. I'm surprised. Of course, it's very lightweight though. I'm just surprised how lightweight it is, and you can see here the camera. Yeah, I wasn't even expecting it. This is the reason why I didn't buy the combo. I did not buy I did not go ahead and just purchase the fly more combos, the three batteries and whatever extras. I just got this because I'm just like, I don't really want to invest anymore from DJI this year. It's just the fact that, but I'm just surprised what it can, wow. The size comparison to Tello drone, guys. Actually, Tello with propellers is actually bigger. I mean, this thing shoots what, 4K, 30, 27K? I mean, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these props here, and you can see exactly because the props make it look bigger. But now look at the size. Even wow, it's actually much smaller than the Tello. The Tello's arm is actually bigger. I'm just surprised, guys. I mean, the reason why I'm really surprised because I've been keeping this Tello drones for a long time. I kept it because this drone is just like whatever you go, you can get away with it. And look at the battery comparison for Tello battery. I mean, you can see the size right now, and of course, I still have this Lego because I play with my kids. Um, Actually, the RoboMaster, the mini version of it. But you can see here again. This I'm just surprised. The reason why I'm doing this because I'm just surprised how the size is, and this is what I've been waiting for. I mean, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I never really get a chance to get this thing, just all the videos on YouTube. I just had no time. I've been busy. I've been doing all my hobbies with kids and everything. But look at the battery, guys. I'm just surprised with the battery. It's almost the same weight, and the size too. Even with the prop guards on the Neo, and this RoboMaster Lego. This is the mini version. I wish DJI would come out with this because I mean the RoboMaster S1 is just so big, and would be great if DJI makes another one like this. Well, anyway, you can see here the size comparison to, of course, the Lego RoboMaster S1. Wow. And I know there's a lot of video out there that you actually using the Avata to remote and also the goggles and all that kind of stuff, and you can put a smart controller with this. You can use it with your phone. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just use it with my phone. I mean, the reason why I'm gonna use this Neo because I'm just gonna go ahead and take it with my kids, doing active tracks with it and do adventure. And I'm just like surprised with the size, guys. And you can see here, wow. For my experience with other DJI drones, like I say, like the Phantom 4, the Phantom 3s, and all the way up to Inspire. I mean, I'm just surprised with the size with this Neo now in 2024. Like I said, I've been saying this since the Tello came out. I'm like, if DJI come out with a 4K and now it finally came out? I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we'll see what this thing can do, and we're gonna have more video to come. I think it's possible, guys. One day DJI will make one of these.